has 8 times as much high-speed track as France, 10 times as much as Japan, 20 times as much as the UK.
High-speed urban changes, efficiency improvement. In the era of second reading, informationization and intellectualization become the new coordinates of transportation evolution. Speed, scale, efficiency, and height. In the development wave and the policy support of smart transportation in full swing, Cilico Microelectronics Limited has more than 100 technology patents and independent intellectual property rights, and created the world's first Rugged PDA, which stood out in the innovation track of intelligent transportation.
西安富力业微电子有限责任公司成立21年来，始终坚持用物联网技术助力客户成功，让工作更高效，生活更美好。
Upholding the brand spirit of integrity, reliability, dedication, and developmental, Cilico unites with industry benchmark users and research institutes, and takes the leading vision of mobile signal soldier system in intelligent transportation, employs independent technology and self-researched core modules, insight into transportation development and reformation, to create a new standard of safety and efficiency in the industry, with passion, creation, and change. With intelligent transportation mobile data center and material leading management solution, Cilico empowers transportation, connects the world, and makes a great difference. Through IoT, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and big data, Cilico also provides a full range of lean management solutions of people, goods, and venues for intelligent transportation. Various application scenarios, such as intelligent operation and maintenance, freight and cargo inspection, emergency ticketing, intelligent storage, epidemic prevention and control, and so forth. Deeply care for the working environment of personnel, re-engineering operation process, and further improve work efficiency, reduce potential risks, and improve operational efficiency.
富力业承接国家和行业战略，深感责任重大，使命光荣。我们将致力于智慧交通领域，用物联网技术助力行业智慧化发展，为交通强国建设贡献力量。
Cilico will continue to lay out the global market in the future with the position of a high-tech enterprise and the strategic vision of a listed reverse enterprise in Shanxi province. Based on technological innovation, in-depth research on customer scenarios in the industry, Cilico will take actions through continuous reformation, development, and innovation to prove ourselves, to give intelligent transportation a future-oriented transformation and brings countless possibilities for a better life.